Some of you remember my old friend spaghetti squash from my early videos. I use it as a weight for my pickling recipes, which worked out really well. Now it's time. Let's make something good out of it. Today I will show you a really cool recipe on how to make spaghetti squash dinner, which is simple, low-fat and low-carb dish. You can find list of ingredients in description of this video. Okay, let's get cooking. Step number 1. First, we need to prepare our spaghetti squash. Make some holes with a fork along the cutting perimeter or use a knife. Put squash in the microwave for about 5 minutes, which should make it easier for you to cut it. Cut it in half, following the holes. When you get to the stem, just break it with your hands. It will be very difficult to cut through it. Using a large spoon, get the seeds out. Cover the squash with salt, pepper and oil. Now it's ready to bake. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Put squash on the parchment paper, face down, and bake for about 30 minutes. It's done baking when shreds easily with a fork. Step number 2. Cut red pepper, onion and tomatoes. Preheat the skillet with oil. Sauté onions and peppers until onion becomes translucent. Add tomatoes, cooked chicken, salt, pepper and 3 tablespoons of pesto or marinara sauce. Sauté on the medium for about 5 minutes. Step number 3. Our squash is ready. Now we can pull the strands of spaghetti squash. You can use a larger fork and pull from the stem end. Now mix spaghetti squash with chicken and cover with mozzarella cheese on top. You can add other cheese variations to your taste as well. Put it back in the oven and bake for another 10 minutes or until cheese melts. Our dish is ready. Add some cilantro and squeeze lemon on top. You can cut each half to serve it as a portion. If you like this recipe, please leave comments below. Thank you for watching and I will see you soon.